Kitchen and Bathroom Backsplashes, a comprehensive guide. A backsplash is a vertical extension to a counter, typically kitchen or bathroom counter, which protects the wall from unintended splashes of water. It can extend a few inches high or go as high as the ceiling. They say that imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. If that is true, then you cannot flatter these examples of backsplashes more. Most images are provided by the tile manufacturers and showcase stunning examples of the power of vitreous ceramic or glass. Due to the amount of water and abuse that kitchens get, it is unthinkable not to have a backsplash along the back of the countertop. The default material offered by some countertop installers is the countertop material itself. So, if you have a solid surface countertop, installers may run a 4 inches high backsplash of the same material along the length of the counter. It is the most basic of all backsplashes, ceramic tile. Glass tile conveys a look of sleek urbanity. If a modern-style kitchen is what you have in mind, you may want to consider this material. Travertine makes for an ideal backsplash if you are interested in a Tuscan-style kitchen or any kind of kitchen with a classic, old-world look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.